turn away any energy block in your solar plexus, placed just below your ribcage. The dragon's fire is burning brightly inside your solar plexus, melting away what doesn't belong. Feel the warmth from the fire, loosening up any tension. Remember to take some deep breaths as we are going in a little deeper right now. You're starting to feel lighter. Your solar plexus is slowly regaining its shine. You're just sweeping your aura with the selenite wand for a bit, and in a moment we're going to do some cord cutting. There's a golden swirl starting to take shape at your solar plexus. Every time you take a breath in, the swirl is starting to spin faster and faster. And as you exhale, you release more and more of the heavy and stagnant energies stuck in your solar plexus. In a moment, we're going to do some more gentle cleansing just to remove any remnants of the heavy and stagnant energies. Just keep on focusing on your breath. As I place the Reiki symbol, Sei He Ki, the dragon is breathing a gentle fire onto your solar plexus to assist in activating it. Feel your confidence, your willpower, and your drive starting to rise as your solar plexus is starting to activate. The dragon has a special gift for you, so please stay till the end of this video. Remember to replenish yourself, or body, or temple of ancient power. The dragon is now sending you light codes for your highest good, unique to this moment and unique to you. Remember, you can always return to this safe space. The dragons and I will always be happy to help you out. a double Cho Ku Rei to seal in your energies.